When the test is complete, a result will be assigned. A green check mark under each ear means that the infant passed the hearing screening in both ears. If a yellow X appears for one or both ears, that means that the infant referred or did not pass the test. If the test was stopped manually, a black question mark will appear, which indicates an incomplete result was obtained. Follow your facility's newborn hearing screening protocol for next steps. The adhesive used with the ear cups is water soluble. They can be removed by using a gauze pad dampened with water. Wipe along the outer edge of each ear cup to release. To avoid person-to-person cross-contamination, all disposable items are intended for single patient use only and must be disposed of immediately after the screening. This includes the snap electrodes, ear tips, and the ear cups.